When it comes to affordable and efficient outdoor grilling, the Megamaster 3-burner propane gas grill with folding side tables stands out as a solid option. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just getting started with backyard barbecues, this grill offers a balance of performance, convenience, and value. Let's break down its features and customer feedback to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Build quality and design. The Megamaster Grill is designed to provide a compact yet highly functional grilling experience. One of its standout features is the 434 square inch cooking area, which is spacious enough to cook multiple dishes at once, making it ideal for family gatherings or small parties. Constructed with matte finished cast iron grates, this grill ensures even heat distribution, durability, and superior non-stick properties. These grates resist rust and cracking, allowing you to enjoy long-lasting performance. Additionally, the stainless steel control panel adds a sleek and modern touch to the grill while providing heat and rust resistance, making it easy to maintain. Heating efficiency and performance. Equipped with 3 high-performance 10,000 BTU burners, this propane grill is designed to heat up quickly and efficiently. The porcelain-coated steel firebox ensures excellent heat retention and durability, giving your food a consistently cooked texture and flavor. The integrated built-in temperature gauge helps you maintain the ideal cooking temperature without guesswork, allowing for precision grilling every time. Convenience and storage. One of the most practical features of this grill is its folding side tables. These provide ample space for food prep, seasonings, and grilling tools, making your cooking process more streamlined. When not in use, the side tables can be folded down to save space, making this grill an excellent option for those with limited outdoor space. The 2 sturdy wheels make it easy to move the grill around your patio, backyard, or even for storage. Whether you're setting up for a weekend cookout or tucking it away after use, the mobility factor is a definite plus. Ease of use and assembly. Customers frequently mention that the grill is easy to assemble, with simple and clear instructions. Many were able to put it together within 30 to 45 minutes. The push-button ignition system ensures easy lighting, while the flame control knobs allow for smooth temperature adjustments. However, a few users reported that the temperature knobs can be slightly tricky to get used to, as they do not operate like traditional stove knobs. Customer reviews and feedback. With an average rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars based on 358 global reviews, the Megamaster Grill has generally been well received. Customers appreciate its affordable price, ease of assembly, and overall performance. Here are some notable pros mentioned by users. Quick and easy assembly with clear instructions. Strong flame capability and fast heating. Sturdy cast iron grates that provide even cooking. Compact design but spacious enough to cook for a small family. Built-in temperature gauge for accurate heat control. However, some cons were also reported. Plastic wheels, which could have been made from rubber for better durability. Inconsistent ignition on the far right burner, requiring manual lighting at times. Temperature gauge accuracy concerns for some users. Propane stand/support arm could be sturdier. One customer noted, "It is a great grill for the price. It heats up quickly, cooks evenly, and is easy to clean. The folding side tables are convenient, and I love the sturdy grates. However, the temperature knobs take a bit of getting used to." Another happy buyer said, "My dad loves this grill. It was easy to assemble and well made. We've used it multiple times, and it works like a charm." Value for money. At $174.58, a Megamaster 3-burner propane gas grill provides excellent value for those looking for a budget-friendly yet efficient grilling solution. While it may not have the premium features of higher-end grills, it performs well in terms of heating efficiency, durability, and convenience. If you're looking for an affordable grill that can handle everyday grilling needs, this is a great option. Final verdict. The Megamaster 3-burner propane gas grill with folding side tables is a great buy for those who want a reliable, easy-to-use, and budget-friendly grill. It offers a good balance of cooking power, durability, and storage convenience. While there are minor drawbacks like plastic wheels and occasional burner issues, these are not deal-breakers considering its price point. If you're interested in purchasing this grill, check out our video description box for exclusive discounts. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and grilling tips.